See, it is difficult for me to say about oil trade. Venezuela is a country with a very large reservoir of oil. Right now, they're producing very little oil. Clearly, whatever happens, a huge investment will be needed to get those oil reserves going again. That means the exploration, exploitation, and export of oil will require a lot of investment because in between there has been a lot of gap. How that is done, whether the current administration government can do it, which is in charge, that has to be seen. As you know, India had invested some $6 billion in Venezuela. Venezuelan crude was being imported into India because of US sanctions that could not continue. So there is an interest that India, ONGC and Indian companies have in Venezuela. How that will work out, what is the option for our companies and our interests, that we have to also watch carefully. But clearly Venezuela is an important country from the point of view of a major oil producer with the largest proven reserves of oil in the world, more than Saudi Arabia. How we can sort of re-establish that connect and wait for sanctions to be lifted, wait for the right conditions to be in place, that we will have to see. But I think the potential is there for things to restart.